Okay, I made a slight change to my oil catch can. This is a J&L OSC oil separator company can. Comes with a 3-ounce catch can on it, but they also sell an extender for it, which is basically just a hollow tube with threads on each side. One set of threads are female, the other set are male, and you screw the original 3-ounce cup onto the extender, then you screw the extender onto the oil separator itself, so you get an extra 3 ounces of capacity for a total of 6 ounces. So I put that on there, and that way you won't have to worry about checking it as often. You know, so far in 3,000 miles, this Tacoma hasn't even collected a full ounce of oil yet. So I'm pretty confident that on a 10,000 mile run, you could probably get away with the 3-ounce cup, but at that point you'd be pushing it. If for some reason you collected just a little more oil than normal, you know, you might end up sucking some up into the intake, which would not be good. So I went ahead and bought the extender, and this will give me more than enough leeway. You know, obviously I'll check it from time to time during, you know, between oil changes, but this here gives me an extra 3 ounces, so I now have a total of 6 ounces of capacity. And the way this engine's running, I doubt it'll ever get close to filling up that capacity at all throughout a oil change interval. But just wanted to update you all on that, and hope this information helps everybody.